Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is one easy way to prepare oat banana muffins. This is one easy breakfast that is so healthy and it can be paired with natural fresh juice or any beverages of your choice. If you want to know how I came up with these healthy oat banana muffins on my countertop, then sit back, let's prepare it together. The major recipes for these oat banana muffins are oatmeal and overripe banana. This is instant oatmeal. You can use any kind of oat of your choice. You can as well use oat flour. Anything oat is very healthy. Follow me along on this video, you will get to know other of my recipes, okay? Blend the oatmeal until smooth or fine powder. You can as well decide not to blend it and use it just the way it is. The choice remains yours. Just do what makes you happy when cooking or baking. Measure the oat flour to be sure of the quantity you are using. For me, I will be using just 1.5 cup because of the size of my muffin pan. I add my salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder. Mix the dry recipes to combine. Then add more of the dry recipe, which is our powdered milk. You can as well use liquid milk. There is no problem about that, but add it when you are mixing your wet recipes. As you can see, I am mixing it one more time so that all the dry recipes will combine. After that, I will set it aside. In another bowl, let's prepare our wet recipes. Peel the overripe banana and mash with a fork. You can as well blend the banana, there is no problem about that. Add the eggs, olive oil. Some people might be saying in their mind right now, olive oil, and I say yes, olive oil. If you want to know why I added the olive oil, please do let me know at the comment section. If you want to know the measurement of all the recipes, hit the description box. Next, add the honey, and lastly add any liquid flavor of your choice. For me, I am using exotic because I like the flavor when it comes to muffins, and my kids like it as well. And give it a quality mix to combine. After mixing to combine, add the dry recipes inside the wet recipes bit by bit and mix at once until combined. You can as well decide to make a hole in the center of the oat flour, which is the dry recipe, and add your wet recipes, then mix to combine. The choice remains yours. After mixing, this is the batter. Now I will add some raisin and then mix one more to combine. Next is to transfer the batter into the muffin pan, but before doing that, I will line the muffin pan with some muffin molds or liner. But while you don't have the muffin liners, please prime the muffin pan with either vegetable oil or butter. But be very careful when priming your muffin pan because this stage will either make your work neat or dirty. Please note, don't overfill your batter to avoid over-rising. After filling the batter, garnish the top with some mixed dry fruits to make it extra beautiful. Place in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes, or may I say until golden brown. After 20 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Allow it to cool down a bit and then enjoy. On this junction, Virtuous family, our one easy way to prepare oat banana muffins is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, this is the beautiful result of it all. Use this as your breakfast. It is very healthy. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing them to your doorsteps. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.